Oh yeah. I'm going to unwrap what we did in the Provider Kitchen this week, and it is chicken, rice, black beans, corn. There it is. Look at that beautiful dish. It's a pretty simple dish. All we did was put some olive oil on our chicken and smother it down with our new rub here at the Provider, Mother Cluckin' Chicken Rub. Pretty simple after that. Just throw some oil in a skillet, get it to a medium-high temperature, and put your chicken in there for 5 minutes aside to get a good, nice crust on it. After that, while that's happening, we're gonna cut up our vegetables with some peppers and onions. And to that, undrained, we're gonna add a can of black beans, a can of corn, and a can of tomatoes with 2 cups of rice into that. We bring that concoction up to a boil, and then we pour that all into a 13 by 9 by 2 pan and put the chicken that you had crusted up right on top. We cover that, put it in an oven, 375 for 45 minutes, and coming out looking like this. If you do want to be safe, you want to get your chicken to 180 degrees. So if you have a Thermopin, stick it in your chicken for 180 degrees, but for 45 minutes, you're going to be pretty safe. It is a staple in our family, and it is something I cook several times a year for the family. So I hope you enjoyed that simple, quick recipe here at the Provider. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.